All right, just getting out of this hospital here for a checkup, or should I say a follow-up, and I figured I'd do an EDC. So heading back over here to the vehicle. Shout out to the Ranger. I'm gonna get in here and show you what I have. Let me open this up and get it going. Why am I putting the key over here? I got a damn button. All right, so of course the hospital, so they don't want me to carry any weapons, so I left them here. But anyways, shout out to the mask. Can't go anywhere without that, right? Pair of Ray-Bans. Got a good deal on these on eBay. Probably a year and a half ago. Let's see, down here, carrying the Diamondback 380. This thing at first was disappointing, but it's actually been all right. So can't complain about that. I brought a knife. This doesn't have a pocket clip. It's a Walther. Very rare knife, actually. So it's a Carl Walther Allied Forces 440A. I believe that's a steel, right? Made in Taiwan. Very, very good condition. Grabbed this at a, let's see, I think it was a flea market a year and a half ago as well. I tried everything. Find a pocket clip. I think I'm just gonna make one, but it's not a problem. You know, put it in your pocket. It's not too bad. I believe this is aluminum, the handle. But nice little knife. I like it. It's got a good shape to it. What do you think? And I think it's on washers. I'm not left-handed, so didn't do that too good. But anyways, you get the idea. It folds down on itself pretty well. And then last thing is just a pen. Supposed to have been carrying it inside, but forgot, because you know how it is. Paperwork. Well, actually I got it in my back pocket. I can't show you, but yeah, see. So shout out to that. Well, I think that's it. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick EDC dump. Hey, shout out to the Casio WR calculator watch. Yeah. You see how it has all kinds of stains on there? That's actually acid. So never work with acid and rubber, because that's what happens to it. You guys have a good one. I gotta get going. Man, it is beautiful out, as you can see. Yeah, this place is huge. And it is packed everywhere. Construction going on too. All right, I'm out of here. Oh, I forgot. Also, Maxpedition wallet with some cash. I'm gonna stop at a few yard sales, so hopefully get a few goodies. Now I think I'm all set. Let me double check. I have my pockets here, and yep, I'm good. I think. Yeah, I'm good. We'll call it good.